Hey guys, welcome back. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today we're going to do a little walk around on a 1968 model Mustang Fastback. This one here has got a 351 Windsor under the hood, aluminum heads, aluminum radiator, electric fans. It's got front disc brakes. Really nice car all the way around. We're going to be pointing out any kind of flaws that I can find so you know exactly what you're buying before you get here. We do this with every car on the lot. Check us out at maplemotors.com. We have finance and shipping information, 100 detailed pictures, and all of our inventory is updated every Monday. We also are doing a test drive video I pulled in this parking lot, started this walk around. You can see the test drive by going to the last 30 seconds of this video or typing in the year, model, and Maple Motors in the YouTube search bar. All right, guys, we're gonna get started up here in the front. Let's go ahead and hit that subscribe button for daily content. Coming around this front end here, it looks nice and clean. The bumper's been replaced. The grille is in great shape. Headlights are nice and clean. We're gonna head on down the side. What I like to do is start at the bottom, come back the midsection, and then go back the top, and we'll go to the back side and so on. So we're gonna start up here in the front. Tires are in great shape. Nice set of Goodyears. Ooh, got a little trim there was hanging on, needed to be popped up. Some of the stripes kind of need to be folded in on the inside there. Doors look solid. Those stripes are trying to come off on the edges there. Coming up around this, oh, we got a little dent in the corner back here. As we're coming back down the midsection here, we got a light scratch on the side. Keep on walking down the midsection here. It's a pretty solid car. Looking across the top, we've got a little bubble in the paint there on the pillar. Mirror looks pretty good. Door handle's fairly new. There's a little chip right there in the paint. You see the crack? Weather stripping looks good around the window. Trim is nice and clean. It's a little dimple in the louver. All right. Made it all the way around. We're on the back side now. We're going to check the trunk lid out, make sure everything's good. It's nice and smooth. There's some bubbles here on the edge. There's one right there too. A slight crack. Dual exhaust out the back. New chrome bumper on the back. Decent tires. Looks awesome back here. Weather stripping looks nice and new. The trunk itself is in great condition. I threw our tag down in here. We're gonna go ahead and shut this down. Comes down nice and easy. But shutting wise, gonna firmly shut it. Those stripes look like they go on forever, don't they? Heading on around this side. A little crack in the bumper there as well that we missed. We're gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna go down the lower section, come back to mid, and end on the top. If I see it, I'll point it out. We got some bubbles popping up here behind the trim. There's a little chip in the door right there. Got a little bubble in there. Stripes. Coming back to mid section here, Got a surface scratch there that should be buffed off. There's a blemish in the paint right here in the corner of the door. There's a light dent right here. It's real small, you can't hardly see it, but it's there. I can see the reflection. It's almost like somebody did that. White's hard to make pop up on video, guys, so I'm doing my best here. Don't want to miss anything. Trim here's got a little ding in it. We have made it all the way around this car. We're gonna go ahead and jump on the interior, get her started up, give you some undercarriage shots, and head back down the road for the test drive. Interior's in pretty good shape. You got the side of the seat that's a little bit stretched. It's loose on the material, but it doesn't have any holes or rips. Back seat looks awesome. Headliner's a little bit loose, needs to be tightened up. Interior looks good. Go ahead and place your bets. Do you think that horn works? A little game we like to play on this channel. Weather stripping looks good around the doors. The carpet's not in bad shape. Upgraded gauges, upgraded radio. Digital voltmeter down there. Console's in good shape. Kick panel speakers. This is all new and it looks awesome. The dash is nice and clean. Let's start it up. That was without me doing anything, just turn the key. I'm holding the brake right now. Emergency brake does work. We got it in the floor here. Our blower motor does work. It's cut on right now. It says please set speed calibration. That may be why the miles per hour was not coming up when we were driving. It needs to be set. Fuel gauge is at half. Oil pressure's coming up. RPM's working, and the temp is working. It's right at 180. So your voltmeter's down there. It's digital. It's not actually flashing. That's the refresh rate on my camera making it do that. In person, it's solid. It's bright. Radio works good. The shifter's a 4-speed, and it's very smooth. Keep in mind this clutch is heavy. I mean, you got push down on that thing. That's a stiff clutch. Got a great sound with the aluminum heads and the full exhaust going all the way out the back. We'll try this horn out. No horn. Wipers, they work too. All right, let's jump out of here. We should add wipers and blower motor to the list of. Motor's nice and quiet, smooth. Under the hood's looking good. Let's go ahead and bring it down. It's coming down silky smooth. Shuts and locks easy. All right, guys, I'm going to be giving y'all some undercarriage shots here. We're going to start up in the front, go all the way around the car. Check maplemotors.com for those detailed pictures so you can see up under the car as well. right, guys, I appreciate you watching. If you don't mind, check out maplemotors.com for finance and shipping information, wheels, tires, parts, and accessories. Get those detailed pictures on the website as well. Check out our Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, and TikTok. We're all over the social media networks. I want to thank y'all for sharing these videos. Had a lot of people come up to the lot and say, hey, I was referred to by so-and-so, and he said he's seen a YouTube video. I'm like, that's awesome. I do appreciate that so much. You're definitely getting the word out there for us. And we're getting so close to 200,000 subscribers. I'm pretty pumped to hit that day. Let's go, guys. Let's get it up there. I appreciate y'all watching. Watch for the test drive video. Getting ready to jump back in this car and take off. Finish making that. You can also look up any car by the model, the year, and Maple Motors in the YouTube search bar. Just a little information to give y'all. All right, let's get back to work. Appreciate y'all watching.